If you have practically no music or dance experience, but you want to learn how to belly dance right now here at home, stay with me because I'm going to show you our Introduction to Belly Dance online course right now. Marhaba, I'm belly dancer Jensuya, and in this video I'm going to show you how our virtual course will have you belly dancing right from lesson 1, how you can progress at exactly the pace that's right for you, and how you can feel part of the larger belly dance community as you learn to belly dance right from home. Introduction to Belly Dance is our multi-week online course for absolute beginners in the technique, rhythm, and choreographic principles of belly dance, or raqs as it's known in Arabic. We've modeled the course on our live drumming in-person workshops, and it's ideal for teens and adults of any gender who have little to no music experience, a moderate level of fitness, and a total eagerness to learn. In this course, we'll be focusing on the key concept of belly dance, timing our moves to the music. The steps and the moves that we'll be learning are the ones that I consider the foundation of belly dance. Right along with learning the moves and the steps, we'll be learning the quintessential rhythm of the Middle East, which is called Beledi. As Bob plays this on the drum, we'll learn how to put our moves and our steps to both the beat and to this iconic rhythm of belly dance. Further into the course, we'll learn to isolate the moves, move one part of your body while another part does something different, and we'll learn how to layer moves, which is a characteristic of belly dance. You'll learn to listen to music in a whole new way. You'll be able to hear it and respond with the language of belly dance. By the end of the first lesson, you will be able to dance a basic step of belly dance, and by the end of the course, you'll be dancing improvisationally both to the rhythm Beledi and to most popular music. We've designed the course for you to do at home on a variety of devices, on your smart TV in the living room, on a computer in the bedroom, or even with a tablet on your balcony or back patio. The course is unique in that we have technique and practice videos so that you can easily find exactly what you need to work on and practice that right along with me dancing and Bob drumming. Learning at home with this course offers you the unique ability to progress at exactly the pace that's right for you. At the end of each video, we have suggestions of how to modify the course if it was maybe a little too challenging or too easy. And there's a comment section with each video where you can ask me questions and also interact with other students. The course is hosted at Jensuya School on the Teachable platform and includes 19 interactive technique and practice videos ranging in length from 2.5 to 17 minutes. At the beginning of the curriculum, you'll see 3 downloadable PDFs, a course guide with suggestions of how to go through the program, and 2 plans. The first is a rigorous plan with sample schedule to go through the program in 8 sessions, and another one is a more gentle plan which takes you through the program in 12 sessions. Like this video, in each of the professionally produced video lessons, we talk directly to you as if we were right there dancing and learning together. You'll find a link to the course in this video description and on our website. You'll also find my email address so you can email me if you have more questions. I hope you join us for an Introduction to Belly Dance virtual course. Ma salama, we'll see you on the dance floor.